This should be open because it's civil rights. This is the 90s. This should be open because it's civil rights.
You think right now is the right time to bring me toys?
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Back up. Back up. What the hell?
What is going on right now? Easy on the door.
Out. Get out. I said get out.
I'm using the bathroom.